What up, folks? I'm playing Roblox right now. I'm playing Bloxburg, so I hope you enjoy. So last episode, well, I didn't make a lot. Last episode, I made a video how to get fast money. So y'all, like, let's just get our mood up so that we don't be tired. Let's sleep. And then we're gonna just like be folks, bro. We folks, bro. We folks. So y'all, I'm playing with my friend, with my brother. And I have another friend, which is playing online right now. I joined her, and then my brother joined me. So we're just gonna be playing with my friend, and then we're gonna. Well, pretty much this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be showing you guys my new car and garage, because I got a garage. Like, look at me, bro. I got a new avatar. I'm a hacker. Like, because I'm good at the game, like, dog, folk, I'm good at the game, bro, folk. Come on, folk. Take ingredients. Make some, not bacon and eggs. Let's make some tacos. So we're gonna go cut them right here. And look at me. And guys, yeah, like folk, bro. I'm gonna throw a party for all these folks to join. Yeah, folk. We're frying us some tacos like usual, and then basically we're just gonna be. Let me say something in the chat. Yeah, that's her name. Yo, folk. I made some tacos, folk. Roommate. What? Valeria? Oh, dog. She's a friend, bro. She's a friend of mine, nigga. Nah, what the hell, daughter? No, she's my friend, nigga. No! Folk. You shit. She's from church. Say, yeah. Take portion. Gotta be. So we're gonna say that up. Yo, folk. What the toilet? Yo, folk. Can't be in the backyard right now. Like y'all niggas. Folk, bro. Yeah, we're having a party down here, boy. Party! What up, folk? Oh, that was by accident, folk. Why? Oh, we're gonna go use the toilet. And yo, folks, look at that. You little folk. Holy moly. Look at that, folk. We're playing Bloxburg. And in Bloxburg, look what we're doing. Just beauty, right? It's beauty. It's beauty. I'm just joking. This is beautiful. Ugly crap. Yo guys, you guys be looking like birds. You guys look like birds, yo folk. Folk. Yeah, folk. The hell? What the hell? Alex, what the hell is that?
My new face? Or should I say head?
Bro, your head looks like an alien.
It is an alien.
Bro, you look like flipping Food Panda. Alien. Bro, you should be on Area 51 with that mask. They're gonna think you're an alien. And they're gonna study you. Okay, Alex. How much money do you have?
3,032.
Give me 2,000.
Fuck no.
I need it
So what?
for the garage.
Oh, okay. And actually,
Thanks. Okay, so let me make the garage. Okay, let's make a garage now, yo. Let's make a garage now, folks. Alex, watch me make the garage, folk. Watch it fall. Okay, what's up? Let me make this. What's gonna shut it be? It's gonna be. What do you mean, folk? No, it's not, you folk. What? No, it's not, folk. Folk, it's not small. It's the biggest garage you've ever seen. No, don't do nothing to the garage, or else I'll block you. I'm gonna block you. Do you know what block means, Alex? I have a little more.
How much?
1,586.
That's enough.
Yeah. So,
Give me back
the
rest of the money.
I know I will. Would this look good? Yeah, that's good.
The black brush? Or what color is that?
I'm gonna turn it into black. So guys, right now I'm making the garage. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. It's better than I expected. So we good to go. Why don't you even give me no money? I need money, you little bitch.
I gave you the money to build the garage.
I need more money. Well, I'm not gonna have it for long. You need to black it up.
Well, I sold my house just to give you that money.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, that's sad to hear, but I don't care. No, I don't need no more money because you're poor now. You're gonna be poor by the time I'm done with you for money. Wait, no, I didn't say that, Alex. It's fine, okay? You didn't hear nothing. You didn't hear nothing, okay, Mike? You didn't hear nothing. Yeah, bro. I upgraded the pool. It looks much nicer now.
You made 3 more speakers.
No, I didn't.
No, man, those are the bubble makers.
Yo, folks.
What's up, Pope?
The popo, bro. I'm gonna call the popo on you.
Okay, now all you need is
No, dog. I need more stuff, nigga.
how much money do you have?
Like this, bro. We need
How
this.
much money do you have?
1,446.
146.
No, 1,046.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. You need. Okay, yo, dog, bro, chill, dog, chill.
It's right there.
We want this one, dog.
Wait, dog.
Dog, you don't call me dog, bro. I call you dog, cause you my dog, bro.
Shut up, dog.
What the hell you called me?
Dog.
What did you? That's I'm sticking you flat on your face, nigga. You're gonna look like bananas. Why are you sitting on your head? Get off me.
Ow.
Don't mess with me, nigga.
I'm not sitting on that.
I need a little more what? I need a little more money. Yeah, 300. That's it. That's all I need.
How much money you have?
Actually, that's all. Take that money. Okay, let me give you the money now. That's all I need.
172.
That's all I need. Oh wait. Wait up. I also need to do one more thing for the garage. Make it nice.
How?
Like this. Watch. Build mode.
Put the car in it.
Yeah, that's how you make it nice, bro.
You can only fit your car in it.
I can fit your car too. You're gonna put your car in there.
Okay, open the door, and I'm gonna drive my car in it.
Here, let me give you. Nah, you don't need more money.
Give me my money back.
Oh yeah.
Give me my money.
Oh, this looks so nice.
Give me my
Bro, get in here.
Give me my $372.
Get in here. It looks so nice.
Give me my $372.
It looks so nice, bro. Wait, I need it for one last thing. On the garage. We need some windows.
Oh yeah, on the front.
Bro, you want it to look lit? Do you know those lit,
Mansion garages.
you know those lit garages in, like, GTA? Let's make one like that.
And you give me more cash.
Yeah, and you're gonna give me
100.
100, that's all, yeah. I'm gonna call the popo when you know.
Who's the purple?
The police.
Try tapping my car. You have $400 more, but why did I give you all that money? That's good. You want another one? Another one? Another one? Guys, as you see, he is making windows.
Now decorate. No, Alex. Alex, come here. You're gonna love this. Okay, then. Yeah. Make it look lit like the popo, bro. And we need to have some lit paintings in there, bro. We need to put some posters in there. Oh, yeah. Let's go in here, boy. And we're gonna put some up there. One right there. You got any more money? One.
I do not have $1.
What? How do you even have $1? That's odd. How do you have it?
That's enough. That's good.
No. Give me $150.
Now, Michael, now you need to put like something.
Give me $150.
Put
I saw something so lit. I saw something so lit.
$150?
Yeah. Thanks, dog. There. Oh yeah, the garage looks lit now. Let's go in. And let's close it behind us. Oh damn, nigga. Oh yeah, it looks so nice. Look, I put the skull here. Look, you didn't even notice the skull? The skull was 150, yeah. And I'm Conde West. We love the earth. It is our planet. It is our earth that we love. It is our planet that is our favorite.
Oh, look, they're so evenly tossed.
We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth. It is our home. We love the earth. I know, I'm recording, yo. Oh, yo, guys, yo. So, if you want to make a garage like ours, it's pretty simple. Like, just do whatever you want with your garage. We chose to make it like a GTA garage. So, folks, do whatever you want with your pictures. Like, it doesn't really care if you have pictures or not. Like, it's still a garage. Well, we decided to make this kind of garage because we like GTA garages. It looks lit.
We are the Popo.
We are the Popo, boy. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe right now. And please like and subscribe. Comment down below what other games we should be playing instead of Roblox. And if you don't comment down, we'll just keep playing Roblox. Or just say, keep playing Roblox if you want us to keep playing Roblox. So just tell us and we'll know what you guys want us to play. And then we'll play the games. It's pretty easy.
Should have put those gold chains with abs.
We love the earth. It is our planet. We love the earth.
We love the earth.
We love the earth. It is our planet. So guys, right now I'm looking for a lit picture that I want. Poster. So let's see. Let's see if they got any Jujooper posters. Come on.
That's the color of the Popo.
We'll just put this in.
That's the sound of the police.
We'll just keep that in. So y'all, please like and subscribe. Comment down below. Now, bye.